Hi, it's Kristen here from MYNT3D with a project that brings coloring pages to life. I'm using a piece of polycarbonate over the free project template from MYNT3D.com. Start by tracing the outline with black filament and fill in with color. To add some 3D details, coil the filament to mimic Mario's bulbous nose. And for some quality time with the kids, this project is something adults and children can do together. For Mario's hat brim, draw the curved line of the brim and remove from the drawing. Place it on a toilet paper roll and draw the brim. Cover the area with plastic tape. Hold brim line in place and draw the brim. You may need to press down on the toilet paper roll to match the curve of the brim line. Then remove the brim from the roll and attach onto your Mario drawing. Continue filling in your drawing, leaving brown for last. Finally, draw the shoes separately and attach to the bottom of your drawing. Draw as needed so Mario stands securely upright. Woohoo! I hope you had fun making Mario jump off your page. Stay tuned for more projects from MYNT3D.